Good morning to all. I'm Bindu. I'm from CSD. Today topic is probability and statistics. Probability is nothing but measurement of able to know what is happening and what is given to. Probability means, for example, if you have 5 horses and taking a race, we have to judge which horse to be comes first. Let us assume H1, H2, H3, these are the possible outcomes of our probability. We have to check which horse then wins the race. We have some other subtopic in this. Exhaustive and mutual events. Mutually exhaustive. Exhaustive means what are the possible outcomes we have taken. These are all are known as possible outcomes in this problem. Mutually existing means one can prevent the other. If we assume H1 have to win the race, all the remaining H2, H3 and so on are preventing events. The event is nothing but the race or the situation which we have to capable or facing the problem. And we have the equation for finding the probability total number of favorable outcomes or events. Favorable events is nothing but what is the possible outcomes of the problem. By total number of exhaustive events which are prevented, the formula can be derived as F. The favorable outcomes we can taken as F and the exhaustive event is taken as E. Here these are refers to M and N are positive integers. In a formulatic way, we can take probability as P of A, or we can take the horses race. The case one is H1 wins the race. We can take it in the formula H1 union, H2 union, H3 union, H4 and so on, Hn, where we can take the infinite number of horses. Here union is nothing but or. If it is H1 or H2 or H2 or H3 like that, probability is always less than and 0 and not be greater than or. We can follow the main condition in this probability concept. And the subtopic is permutations. Permutations is nothing but taking the elements in a sequential order or a linear order. We can take as NPR, where n refers to the number of elements, and pre refers to the probability, and R refers to the condition where we have to solve the problem. N factorial by n minus R factorial. In any problem we can have two permutations. We can use this equation. For example, if you had taken given three elements A, B, C, the number of possible outcomes is the question is given as 2 at a time. First of all, we have taken the three elements and their combination in a order in the 2 at a time. We can take as A comma B, AB comma BC comma CA. We have the 6 number of outcomes. We substitute in the formula and get the answer and combinations. In combinations we cannot take any linear order. Without taking linear, we can consider n elements. The equation for this is NCR, where we take probability for P and C refers to the combination or complement. It is nothing is different in this, but we take n factorial by n minus R factorial, R factorial. The axis is R factorial, where we can have to complement the other products. We can take the n minus R factorial, R factorial. Thank you.